so proud of you, man. I've been waiting years for this. You don't even know. Hey, man. Why did I bring that stuff? It kicked right on several times. Sit down! What? Sit down! Getting smoked out back here. Hey! Yeah? That peg is barely on.
What?
The foot peg on the right foot. Be easy on it, don't stand on it and jump over stuff because it almost broke off earlier. Okay. But it's all right. Have it.
The sand is really soft, so I tried to turn around.
Oh, you wrecked?
Kind of slipped out, and it flipped over. And I was able to turn it back up, but I wasn't able to keep from turning off. I tried to pull the clutch in.
It doesn't have a sensor as long as it's in neutral.
Yeah.
Right on, right on. It's on. It came right on perfectly fine. I'm so proud of you, man. I've been waiting years for this. You don't even know. I wish I had mine. I tried to put my bike in the truck too, but it wouldn't fit. I wish I had brought it now. We'll have to come back. Ready? Pull it, cut it. Just pull it, just cut it. Use the rest of the blade. Beautiful day out here today.
Oh, yeah.
At the dirt bike skate park riding area. You can probably yank that off.
Yeah.
Sedici. Oh, no, those are Scott. I'm not saying anything Sedici made those.